Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of fraction. This is 8th question of its exercise 7.4. So the question says that Ela reads 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Who read less? हमें find out करना है who read less. So firstly हमें given है total number of pages a book has. So हमें given है 100 and Ela read तो हमें गिवन है 25 पेजेस एंड ललिता रीड सो ये हमें गिवन है 2/5 ऑफ सेम बुक. तो कंप्लीट बुक में हमारे पास है 100 पेजेस. 5 से 100 कैंसिल हो जाएगा 20 टाइम. 20 इंटू 2 इक्वल टू 40 पेजेस. सो Ela read 25 pages and Lalita read 40 pages. So Ela read less than Lalita. Thank you.